Wow. Whoa. Oh.
The president's about ready to order a counterstrike. That's what we're recommending you do.
We have a launch detection. We have a Soviet launch detection.
Yeah, that's good. It's good. It's good.
Can I light it? Can I light it?
No, not this one.
See, Alex, you got to get a lighter like that.
I know. Mine was crashed.
Whoa, where'd that one go? Holy crap. Sweet.
Okay.
See in my yard, damn it.
Wow. Wow, that shook my skin there.
Oh, that was good.
I felt that sucker.
Where'd you get those at?
These are Mexico.
Straight out of Mexico, man. Oh, woo! Oh man.
Here we go.
Oh, that was good.
That was cool. Ron, you want to go? Run as fast as you can.
Man, I need to
You go
get
quick.
Watch out for the pole.
Whoa! Kara, you want to go?
Woo!
I don't want to hit the street.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
That'd be a nice bullseye, though.
We live over there by 143rd. There we go.
Oh, okay.
Right across from that.
Oh,
Watch out, guys.
Here goes one. Bam! Alright, go next one. I'll go next one.
Dad, we should have hold the box.
I got more inside. Oh, yeah.
Here goes
Get
one.
that next year, that lighter.
That was a good one.
Woo! Sweet!
Whoa.
What kind
Where's the
of
purse?
contraption is that?
Yeah, we're gonna light that too.
Oh.
Hold on.
Should I wait?
Yeah.
Do that real quick.
You don't want to light that one?
Yeah, I just want to do that one real quick.
All right.
What's that one do? What's that one do?
We'll find out.
I don't know.
I'm probably cool, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, wow. Right over my...
It's on fire! It's on fire!
Oh, right over my head. That was awesome.
This one's yes. This one's
Here, go! Go! Run!
that's actually really cool.
No.
Can't miss with that lighter.
Look at this!
It's gonna be
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
That was a good one.
We're doing this one for.
We're doing what?
Yeah, too much of it.
Where is it?
It's gonna be a stupid one. We shouldn't see it.
Man cave.
Where's the princess purse?
Princess first.
Princess purse, bring it out here.
Hey, what did they do?
What is this one?
It's a purse.
Yeah, it's the princess purse.
Hey, can I light it?
Is it going to be a loud purse?
No,
Yeah.
Let me light it! Let me light it!
I don't think it's gonna do much. It's
Whoa!
Just what purses do.
What does it do?
Awesome.
Oh, it's on fire! It's on fire!
It's got the other side. It's got the other side.
okay.
You gotta test it. Can I light it though?
Hey, Kimmy. Okay. Grab those boxes. Take the trash.
If you can put them both together, oh, they're both they're different heights, huh? Yeah.
I just brought them apart. When the concussion goes, you have one that falls.
Oh yeah. Then okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like that?
Good deal.
That's far enough, Dad?
Slide them up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, here. We'll need 3 people.
Okay.
Next to the kitchen.
It's the cops! Run!
Next to me.
What?
Yeah.
Or it's a Tesla car.
Happy 4th of July. You're not the police. We're happy. See ya. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I think they were trying to find some like slow holes.
Got some boxes over there on the ground.
Don't make it.
Cool. The other one landed over there somewhere. Oh, there's the other one.
What can I do?
Whoa. All right.
You got your lighter or no? No, I can kill.
What?
Light it. 3, 2, 1.
Is it gonna be big?
Oh.
Well, this is a good spot to
Take us to DEFCON 3. Get on the sack.
We got fireworks wars. Bunker busters. Oh! Did they look off? Oh, I guess all of them did.
Here, Adeline.
Can I light it now?
Come here. Just.
Do they actually sell punks anymore?
Hey, what?
Sell punks anymore?
I don't know.
Can I do it?
You can't do it. You can't do
I do it?
Okay, you can't do it.
Light it, bro.
Hey, not this one. This one's cooking.
See, Alex, in the old days, we had punks.
Three,
Punks. Yeah.
2, 1.
I couldn't get it.
I can't get mine either.
Wow.
What fell in? What in?
Oh, the wick did?
I was thinking
There's also another, there's a little.
What do you mean?
The bone.
Oh, just flip it over. Just flip it over.
what happened?
Is it,
One of the bombs like fell in there.
here, the base probably isn't hot. You just go.
We'll just not use that one.
Hey, I have one right here.
We'll use this one over here.
I have one right here.
There you go, Adeline. You saw one.
Oh, hey.
Ow! Want me to do it? Can I do it? What? Let's do it! 3, 2, 1. Got it!
Good job.
Ow, my head! Guys, wait, don't do that one yet. How do we do this one?
Yeah, that's right side up.
No, that's fine.
Okay. I don't know what that one's going to do.
Hopefully it won't shoot right at me, right?
Now one little
All right.
thing did that much? Damn. Wow, what is that thing? Explode!
Cool.
That just extends, man. You guys doing something there?
All right.
What was there?
Those are awesome. That's all I know.
Come at me!
Shazam!
Oh my god.
See, my mom's not here to tell me to get back, so. All right. It's a good one.